So ayun nga guys, tuwang-tuwa ang mama ko nung dinala ko siya dito sa Dolomite kasi sabi niya, simula daw nung nag-open itong Dolomite, hindi pa raw siya nakakapasyal. Ha? Ayun na nga, nandito na kami sa Rojas Boulevard. It's look like Miami, Florida. Yun. Yan o. Kaso may nakaharang man, no? May mama. So nagtiis lang po kami dito sa may labas kasi bawal pumasok. Bawal pumasok dun sa loob. Ito po yung canyon, guys. Parang nasa ano lang talaga. Maximo V Solivin. Here is the canyon. Papunta doon sa corridor. Kaya pa. Yun guys, so ang ganda dito sa Pilipinas. This is the Philippines. Medyoan mo ako. Maglalakad muna tayo dito sa may tatay ko siya ano. Kapag kasi di camera din pala. Wow. So we are here at the Pedro Hill Street, City of Manila. And there's also hotels here. If you want to visit here in the Philippines, there is Diamond Hotel and many more hotels here. Golden Empire Town. There's a horse. Me and my mama were going to inside now at the Dolomite. We hope there is no entrance fee here, but we will try to ask there. Alright, here we go guys. My mother so slow walking, you know, here. Napakaliit. Mandamos Agency Office. Alright, I think this is the restaurant. Huh? Okay, hanapin po natin yung kung saan ang entrance, guys. Oh, there's again a horse. We are here right now at the entrance. We hope this is free. Manila Bay Walk, Dolomite Beach. Hi sir, this is the entrance? Yes sir. Okay. Come on, let's go. Hey, good afternoon. Oh my god, this is the Dolomite. Wow, Dolomite. Oh my god, here we go. Oh, let's go, come on here. And I think there is one stone here. Oh my god, look at the view guys. Oh, my mother is here. Wow. I can't believe that I'm here right now in Dolomite. Before I was looking this place only in the American blogger or Filipino blogger. So right now I'm here. It's like Miami, Florida. Yeah. Yeah, here. All right, come. Oh. Ya Allah. Oh my God. Look. And this is the buildings. I think this is the hotels. When you come here in the Philippines, if you are from another nationality and you need the hotels, I think here there's more hotels here in Rojas Boulevard, Baywalk. Yeah. Yan, ganun mo lang siya. Tapos sumunod ka lang sa akin.
Okay.
Hindi mo natin. So imagine na nandito na tayo. Look mama. Saka meron pa siyang ano. Kung ikaw ay maiihi, meron siyang restroom o toilet dyan sa mga lalaki at sa babae. Yan. Kinuhanan po niya ng video. Yan po mama ko. So yun, ganito pala kaganda ang Dolomite, guys. Yan.
Basta na naman yan eh.
Yan. Ano na? Magpapapicture daw siya. Okay, magpapapicture si mother. Dali lang. Ha? Ngayon po paglabas nyo, mayroon mga sarakyan dito. May kabayo. Gusto mo sumakay ng kabayo, ma? Ice cream. Ayan na naman, tinatanong ko na naman si mama kung gusto niya na ice cream. Ayaw na naman.
Okay, baka magka-area.
Oh, may tindiro. Nice. Tindirong aso. Oo. So, tatawid na tayo pa doon.